Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. First on the list is the Masts Rus black antenna. After years of dedicated service, Masts Rus has now secured a reputable position in the automobile antenna world. The company generates its phenomenal ideas in Germany and executes them in the fine, well-equipped places in the US. Today, it gets recognized as one of the best producers of top-notch quality car antennas. When it comes to F150, the best that the company offers is none other than this 4 inches long antenna. As manufactured from aluminium material, this short antenna weighs only 0.8 ounces. Thus upon installation, you need not worry about the antenna burdening your Ford in any case. Second on the list is the ACravenSpeed Stubby antenna. ACravenSpeed holds a position amongst the world's most reputable and reliable antenna manufacturing companies. As a Ford owner, you must have heard about the ACravenSpeed antennas. Well, it's a popular choice amongst the car-passionate masses due to its integrated designs. Recently, the ACravenSpeed Stubby antenna for F150 has received a great response from the community. Let's evaluate the aesthetics and features of the antenna in detail. The tip of the antenna is round and the base is slightly broader than the rest of the antenna. Third on the list is the Rydonair F150 compatible antenna. Rydonair tops the list of manufacturing best short antennas for vehicles of all sorts. The company's experience and dedication have brought forth wonders that others had only yet imagined. This sleek and stylish rubber antenna replacement by Rydonair is yet another example of the company's marvelous creations. The antenna measures 7 inches in length and weighs about 1.27 ounces. It's slightly longer than most short antennas available in the market, but even so, it's short enough to get classified as a short antenna and also camouflage as well. Fourth on the list is the VOFONO spiral antenna. VOFONO is an emerging company that specializes in auto accessories such as antennas. With expertise, it is not surprising that VOFONO has launched some innovative and integrated products at this stage. One of VOFONO's wonders is this amazing spiral antenna. The VOFONO spiral antenna comes with the dimensions of 7 by 0.5 by 0.5 inches. It has a weight of 1.6 ounces, which is comparatively not lightweight. VOFONO spiral antenna is a Masts-style antenna with a height of 7 inches, hence it comes with a narrow structure and rounded tip. Lastly, fifth on the list is the AntennaX bullet antenna. AntennaX provides the great antenna for Jeeps and Fords, almost all variants. This 5.5-inch antenna best demonstrates the company's capabilities and love for manufacturing proficiently functional antennas. The AntennaX bullet antenna features a bullet-style construction, which means it comes with a pointed tip. AntennaX has particularly crafted this bullet antenna for F150 with T6061 billet aluminium. That means the antenna has a tough structure and does not corrode easily. With a good surface finish of hard anodized silver, it also has better shine and enhanced anti-corrosion properties. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.